is a mass of incandescent gas, a giant nuclear furnace.
I'll wait around for days, this porch on which I pace, 'cause I need your mind, I need yours.